What has happened?
Did you burp yet?
Yes.
No, you didn't. Is it coming up? Oh, that was it!
Yay!
Woohoo! He burped.
Yay!
Was that like a big burp or a little one?
A big burp.
That is yuck. Okay, what do you say when you burp? What are you supposed to say?
Excuse me.
Very good.
Is it loud at Camp Up now?
Was it loud today?
Yeah.
Were you okay with that?
Yeah. I'm okay with that. I can handle that.
Oh, that is awesome.
Oh.
I'm so proud that you can handle that. That is awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna go in that door and go into the pool.
So what are you going to do tomorrow at Camp Up?
Go in that door.
What else are you going to do at Camp Up tomorrow?
Watch doors.
Okay, and after you watch doors, what do you want to do with Miss Claire? Hey.
Run.
You want to run? Okay. You're going to run inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside. Okay. You going to get in the pool?